Hello, everybody. It's time for English. And for English this week, I'm going to answer one question that was sent to me. It's a very good question, too. The question is, have cats got tongues? And the answer is, yes, cats have got tongues. Okay, so I guess that's enough of English for this week. If there are no more questions, I think I'll just say goodbye. Well, hey, Mr. Teacher! Hey! I've got a question! Yes, you, sir. Yes, the ugly man in the back. What's your question? Haha! My question is, what is in the refrigerator? You mean the refrigerator here in my bunker? Yeah, what's in the refrigerator in your bunker, man? I don't know. It's not my bunker. I don't live here. Do you really want to know what's in the refrigerator? Yes, I do. Do you? Yes, really. Really? Really? Do you really want to know what's in the refrigerator? Yes, I do. Really? Really? You really want to know what's in the refrigerator? Yes, I do. Really? 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 Mm-hmm. Really? Yes, really. Really? Really, really. Okay, let's look in the refrigerator. Refrigerator! Here we have shelf number 1. And on shelf 1, there is a big dumpling. It looks like it's very, very old. The expiration date, see right there. So, it's probably time to throw it away. Next, this is leftover chicken schnitzel. I made it. This, honestly, I don't know what this is for. I don't know what it is. I don't know. It looks like you could put something inside. I don't know what you can put inside. Maybe at the end of the day, before you go to sleep, you could come home and take your eyeballs out of your head and put them in here, just to keep them fresh for the morning. Let's look at shelf 2. Okay, here we are. I have everything from shelf 2 on my table here. Shelf 2 has got grapefruit juice. You can see it's written there, pink grapefruit. And also we've got pad thai sauce. Here you see these little green things. These are spring onions, or you could call them green onions. I got them from Grandma. She grows them, and she just gave me a lot of them. I don't know what to do with them. Here, I've got olives. I don't know why. I don't like olives. Here, I've got lots and lots of chocolate pudding. It's for my son. He likes it. Strawberry jam for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. This is whipped cream. Here it says spray cream. I call it whipped cream. It's very good on pretty much everything. Put it on ice cream. You can put it on cake. You could put it on popcorn. You could put it on melon. You could put it on spaghetti. You could put it on fish. You could put it on steak. You could put it on ham. You can put it on cheese. You could put it on your socks. And you could wash your hair with it. Now here, we've got 1, 2, 3, for mystery jars. Now I call these mystery jars because I have no idea what is inside. This, I don't know. It's very strange looking. This jar, some kind of fruits. This is kind of scary looking. It's green. And this, I have no idea what it is. It's a mystery. Now, shelf number 3. Here's what I have on shelf number 3. Only 2 things. The first, grapes, seedless. And here I've got a lot of eggs. I don't even know how many eggs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 eggs. Hey, Mr. Teacher! Why have you got so many eggs? Very good question, Mr. Ugly Man. I don't know. I don't know why I've got 21 eggs. But maybe I could make a very big cake. Let's look at shelf number 4. Okay, here's everything on shelf number 4. Shelf number 4 has spread. Also, I've got butter. And I've got cheesy pretzels. There's the pretzel, and you can dip it in cheese. And I've got sour cream, cheese. In fact, I've got too much cheese because this is all cheese and this is cheese too. What am I doing with so much cheese? I don't know. And here I have ham. Okay, that's everything on shelf number 4. Now we can look in the vegetable crisper. And the vegetable crisper is a special drawer in your fridge where you put vegetables. Okay, here I have everything that's in my vegetable crisper. The first thing, tomatoes. I like tomatoes, so I have lots of tomatoes. And I've got 2 cucumbers. I have 2 cucumbers because I like to use them as drumsticks. And here I've got 2 bell peppers. It's shaped like a bell. Ding, 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 dong. And here I've got lots and lots and lots of carrots. I don't know why. This is celery root. It's good for soup, I guess. And also I've got red onions and apples in there. Now this is very important, people, because they're almost the same size and they kind of feel the same, but you never want to mix the 2 up. All right? Never make a mistake and reach for an apple when you want an onion, or reach for an onion when you want an apple. For many, many different reasons. You don't want to cook with an apple, right? So just always be very, very careful whatever you're reaching for. That was a bad idea. Ugh. I wanted the apple. Okay, now let's look in the door of the refrigerator. Okay, here's everything that was in the door of my refrigerator. Not very much stuff. First, we've got milk and ketchup. Very important to have ketchup in a fridge. Here we've got mustard. Not many people know how to say this in English. Mustard. It's easy. Mustard. 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 And now this. Honestly, I have no idea what this is. I mean, I know what it is. It says right here. It says it's basil spray. But I've never, ever, ever heard of basil spray before. And I'm really curious what you use it for. We should try it, huh? Yeah, it tastes like basil. But also kind of tastes like toothpaste. I highly recommend it. Okay, everybody, that is what is in the fridge here in my bunker. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and maybe throw up. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.